Hey, Missybeelondon here, and as you can see in this video, I am doing the unboxing for Birchbox July 2018. Look at what I got inside this box. I got 5 products as usual in this box, and this box only costs £10 and £3 PMP, but you got to remember it depends on where you are in the world. £3 UK, rest of the world it will vary. I'm just showing you the pamphlet that comes inside that shows you information about each product in this box. Look. And now the first item I pick out is what's in it for me? What's in it for me? Question mark. Shower scrub. That's what it's called. What's in it for me? That's a very questionable name, but hey, that's what they want to call it. A lovely shower scrub I've got there. Next item is a MERCI handy hand cream, and it is cherry. I'm guessing maybe it smells like cherry. I never got to open it yet. I would open it later on. And the next item is from Balance Me, and it's called Congested Skin Serum. I'm guessing it's good for your skin. Hopefully I can use it on my face, but it doesn't really say. I'm guessing so because they do a lot of facial products anyway. Next item is MANNA KADAR long wear powder, and it is Paradise Blush for your face. Not sure if I put it on my face or my cheeks. I might put it on my eyelids. Next product is BROWCOTE waterproof brow gel, and I'm guessing you can use it in eyelashes as well because it shows in the packaging. Eyebrows and eyelashes. So once you've done your eyebrows and eyelashes, you put this little coating on it and it will protect your makeup for however long. It says waterproof, long during, not quite sure how long. I've not used it yet, but I'll use it eventually. Next item, well, it's not an item, it's just a thingy, a leaflet saying 25% off. Yeah, 25% off, code Birchbox. I'm not sure if it's for myself or for new people, but I just showed it in a video anyway. I did this unboxing quick here because I got this box today, Saturday, and I want to drop this video quick as well. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Quick little video. Do you get Birchbox box? What do you get in your box? What do you think of what I got in my box? I'm kind of okay because I don't really mind creams and scrubs and makeup items. So yeah, I'm okay. Thank you, Birchbox. Can't wait to see what I'll get in August with Birchbox. Like I said, if you're new, please subscribe, press the bell icon. If you're returning, thank you for coming back, and I'll see you in a next video. Bye, see you.